Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the Tag Me challenge that I have running on my YouTube channel. If you tag me in any post, video, or on Instagram for any incoming or outgoing happy mail, for using my dewdrops, showing my dewdrops, or how you store my dewdrops, pretty much anytime that I get tagged in a video, I write down your name for tagging me, and you're entered into a chance to win some of my dewdrops. Since I'm not running challenges anymore, I still wanted to be able to have some giveaways of my dewdrops. I thought this would be a great way to do that. Thank you everyone that has been sharing and tagging me in their videos. I love to see how people are using their dewdrops. I love to see how everyone stores their dewdrops. Thank you to all the wonderful people who have tagged me. We did have 30 entries. This is the baggie of dewdrops that I'm going to be sending out for this winter. I will be continually hosting this challenge. If I can find the video where I talk about it more, I will link it up above. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, use my random number generator to pick a winner. 30 people tag me in videos, posts, or on Instagram of receiving or sending me happy mail or using my dewdrops, showing my dewdrops. Anyone that pretty much tagged me in a video, you were entered to win a baggie of dewdrops. I have my random number generator and I have numbers 1 through 30. So let's go ahead. Let me see if I can turn off my ring light for a second. Okay, that's better. We have 1 through 30. We're going to generate. And that's number 12. And that is Sassy Southern NC Girl. Congratulations, Jen. I have your address and I will be able to get these shipped out to you right away. Congratulations to Jen, who is number 12 entry, Sassy Southern NC Girl. Congratulations, Jen. Thank you so much for tagging me, and I do have your mailing address. I will go ahead and get these mailed out to you. This is an ongoing challenge where all you have to do is tag me in your video and you'll be entered to win a baggie of my dewdrops. I would like to thank you all so much for your support in my dewdrop business. Thanks so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.